What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan. This is Fine Detailing. Thank you so much for joining. If this is your first time, please consider liking and subscribing. For those that are coming back, welcome back. We have a fun one today, the long anticipated Pressol V whatever. The new Pressol bottles are in from Obsessed Garage. And we're gonna talk about them today. I'll make this a short and sweet video for you guys. You've already seen some content on it, but I just wanted to bring you kind of my first experience and my first use. Quick history is Matt from Obsessed Garage has been testing different spray bottles over the years, and he thinks he found Pressol, which is like the end all be all, but they've had issues with some failures, some early failures, like the tips would fail, the seals would fail, things would fail, to say the least. And so the way that they did this was they kind of sold it with like a no warranty type situation, just saying, hey, we're testing these, join us for the ride or don't, you don't have to. But with the promise that someday, they would kind of continuously improve them and get to a kind of a perfect state or an OG spec state. So I joined on that ride as many of you did, in hopes that we could kind of find this perfect spray bottle, if you will. And so far, they're brand new. We'll see how they hold up, but they may have achieved that. So I have 3 in front of me here. This is kind of my full set of Pressols. I have the rest in the mail that are coming, and then I'll replace these. So some of the new things that they've done, obviously the bottles look very similar, but they fluorinated the bottles. So all that means is that you're not gonna have issues with kind of any of the product kind of seeping out. So like if you'd put like a tar remover in, for example, the issue was like the labels wouldn't stick and it could like leach out of the bottle. So these are improved for better chemical resistance and longevity. So that's a new feature here. The head has different, they're the industrial heads, so that all the seals and everything inside are just upgraded a lot more to handle, more aggressive chemicals. And I'll throw it up quickly on the screen, but they actually have a link similar to what IK has, and they'll tell you which chemicals are resistant and which chemicals are okay to go in these bottles. But pretty much anything we're using for detailing. I don't know about acids, like a wheel acid or anything like that, but all of our alkaline products and non-alkaline, glass cleaners and things like that should be safe in these. And probably the biggest difference here is the new stainless steel tip. So there's that stainless tip, right? Pretty well manufactured here. You've got this cool, it actually says their website on the front. We'll see if it'll focus. Probably not. It says pressol.com on the front, and then you have this, looks kind of like a ram, I guess, or like a goat on there. So here's the tip here. The spray pattern on this is just incredible. Now, the interesting thing, guys, about Pressol is you're like, well, why can't I get an IK for half the price? Or why can't I get Marilux or, any other kind of sprayer in the world? What's the benefit of this? What I like about these is the efficiency. You get 2 sprays per pull. See that? Right, so I just ceramic coated this car and I had to do an iron decontamination. I did it on another car yesterday. When you're going around spraying the car with iron remover in a spray bottle, that can get fatiguing, right? And your hand gets sore, and cry me a river, right? We're these first world problems, but what it is it just creates more efficiency where more product is kind of getting on the surface. I just think it's really comes down to that and the speed of application. Now some might say, well, you might use more product, but look, I mean, it delivers what's on their website. I think 1.4 milliliters of product. That's nothing, right? If we're measuring 1.4 milliliters per spray, I mean, you got other problems and maybe you shouldn't buy the Pressol bottles, right? So the purpose is it's more efficient. And I think that it delivers like a really good experience. It's really ergonomical. It fits super well in the hand. It doesn't slip. I tighten these down a lot because when I'm spraying a lot, they can tend to come unscrewed like any bottle I use. So really good experience. The stainless tip on them is really, really well machined. I don't think this will ever fail. I mean, hopefully it doesn't, but it's T304 stainless steel. So I cannot imagine this is gonna fail anytime soon, but I'll continue to bring you updates. So short and sweet, guys. I just wanted to show you this. Again, you might be brand loyal to, there's other ones, great ones out there. IKs make incredible sprayers. I just think, one, these are super like ergonomical. They're actually just a little bit different. They're just really cool looking. And then Obsessed Garage sells their own labels, so you can buy pre-made labels with like wheel cleaner or glass cleaner on them. Obsessed Garage also sells blank labels for you to do, or you can do like, this is made with it's called a Cricut machine, and then you can kind of make your own labels, which are working out perfectly, guys. So I will link in the description below to all these products on the website where you can find them. Go check them out. Even if you want to just try it out, you can order one. I mean, it's pretty hard to go on that website and order one thing, but if you wanted to give it a shot and order one, I can tell you so far, again, I've used them on 2 cars, noticeably more efficient, and 0 issues. So really happy with this, guys. Short and sweet review. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts below. Are you gonna buy these bottles? Are you gonna give them a shot? They do, last note is they come in a 750 milliliter size and a 500 milliliter size. So if you want a smaller one, I know some people like to have like their interior cleaners in like a smaller bottle. That could be something that you do, but I find myself going through these pretty regularly, so I opted for kind of all the same size. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye all.